Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace brake pads on a Hyundai Sonata. Before we start, safety is paramount. Always ensure your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands, never just a jack. Gather all your necessary tools, including a lug wrench, a C-clamp, and a socket set. Loosen the lug nuts while the wheel is still on the ground, then raise the vehicle safely. Once the wheel is off, you will see the brake caliper. Use a wrench to remove the two caliper guide bolts, typically located on the back. Gently slide the caliper off the rotor and hang it securely with a bungee cord or wire. Never let it hang by the brake line. Now, you can easily remove the worn-out brake pads from the caliper bracket, noting their orientation for later. This step is crucial for a smooth replacement process. With the old pads out, it is time to prepare for the new ones. Use a C-clamp or a piston compression tool to slowly push the caliper piston back into its bore. This creates space for the thicker new pads. Install the new brake pads into the caliper bracket, ensuring the shims are correctly seated. Apply a small amount of brake grease to the contact points to prevent squealing. Now, carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor. Reinstall the two caliper guide bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications, usually around 25 foot-pounds. Mount the wheel back onto the hub, hand tightening the lug nuts. Lower the vehicle, then fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Finally, pump the brake pedal several times to restore pressure before driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.